Hi everyone, this is Yahoo. I'm macro option trader. It's currently 11:27 p.m. Japan time on July 18, 2025, Friday night. Japan's heading into a three-day weekend, so I thought I'd give a quick market wrap-up before we head into it. The Nikkei closed at 39819 today, down just 0.2%. We actually touched around 40130 yen in the morning. A bright fly fleeting with the 40000 yen mark again, but got stalled off into the close. Um, the Nikkei Volatility Index hit 25 during the day, but ended at 24.75. As for valuation, the PER is at 50.69, with EPS holding strong at 2537 yen. Futures are currently trading around 39700 yen, slightly lower. Looking at the weekly candle, we are finishing with the bullish engulfing candle after two straight bearish weeks. Technically, that looks strong, but of course, next week will be key. The yen is still strong around 147, 148. Nothing to new there. Okay, now let's talk sentiment. Bloomberg and other outlets are noting that Japan's stocks are hard to buy right now. Election noise, fiscal stimulus expectations, and rising yield, lots of uncertainty. That said, if everyone's cautious, it might also signal a bottoming process. If funds are no on the sidelines waiting, and there could be liquidity drying up, or it could mean there's room for upside if things stabilize. The upper house election is happening this Sunday, July 20th. Interestingly, some companies like Rakuten reportedly gave their employees time off to go vote, which could price participation elections. I'm paying close attention to this one based on search trends and online bets. I wouldn't be surprised if Sunseto ends up grabbing 18 or even 20 seats. It's not out of the question. Monday's holiday, so markets won't react immediately, but once we open again, that's where the real moves could happen. Depending on the outcome, we could see expectations for more spending or possibility a spike in the bond yield. Speaking of bond, 13-year GGBs are yielding around 3.07 now, 7% now. If they spike to 3.5%, it could trigger serious loss for the life insurance. Previously, they were already sitting on unrealized loss of around 8 trillion yen. 3.5% could push that to 15 and 20 trillion. That's something to watch. So, so far, equities have not reacted much to the rising yields, likely because stronger EPS is holding up the PER. Okay, over in the US, the S&P hits 6297 points, up 0.54%. The VIX dropped to 16.52, a clear sign of a continued strength. Bitcoin is holding above 120,000 USD for now. Also, worth noting, U.S. Treasury Secretary Bensent is in Osaka for Expo talks, and we've got G20 right around the corner. July is just packed with macro events, elections, G20, and coming up a BOJ policy meeting at the end of the month. One final note I want to leave you with is around drought. Europe and Japan are seeing extremely hot heat condition this year, and rainfall has been limited. This raised real concern about drought risk. Water is essential for people who are cooling data center running AI or agriculture. If global temperature continue rising and rain keeps decreasing, we could see drought becoming a system risk. It might even become the next common enemy for humanity, like COVID was, something that forces global coordination again. So yeah, and climate change, especially drought, might be one of the next big macro risks to watch, potentially even more critical than political or physical policy. Let's stay sharp. Thank you for listening. You can follow more of my contents and long bit strategies. Catch you tomorrow.